Hare Krishna. Wish you all a very happy Diwali to the beautiful hearts who are listening to Sri Krishna stories. Let's celebrate this festival of lights by listening to Sri Krishna stories. Today's story is Diwali is not only the day every day we must give up the demonic qualities in our minds and travel towards the perfect life. A simple story to explain about this. Let's look into the story of how and why we celebrate Diwali every year. Diwali is celebrated to commemorate the slaying of Narakasura by Lord Krishna. It is called as Narakasura Chaturdasi. Diyas or light is important in our festivals. There can be no worship without a lamp. Especially when the lights are lit in a row on the auspicious day Diwali, not only the outer darkness but also the inner darkness disappears. This is why Diwali is called the festival of lights. The reason for this is our myth that God lives in the diya and the soul lives in the fire or the light. Mahavishnu incarnates as Varaha Avatar, one of the Dasa avatars. Narahasura was born as the son of Mahavishnu and Bhuma Devi. In the beginning, he learned many arts from his mother very well and excelled. As he grew older, he persecuted everyone with a feature befitting his demonic nature. He despised the best Maharishis and priests in meditation. Thinking that he should conquer all the 7 worlds, he began to make severe penance towards Brahma. Brahma also appreciated his severe penance and said, "I appreciate your severe meditation. Ask what boon you want." "Give me the blessings of being immortal," he asked. Brahma said, "Those jivas born into the world must one day perish. It is not possible, so ask for something else." Narakasura asked for the boon that, "Swami, I should not die by anyone else other than my mother." Brahma also blessed that you will not die by anyone else other than your mother's aspect. Narakasura's audacity increased as he received the immortal boon. He imprisoned the demigods with the desire to conquer all the world. Some of the survivors went to Krishna and explained their situation and sufferings and asked them to save him. Krishna, comforting them, went to Narakasura and gave him the small advice. The war started because Narakasura did not listen to them. Lord Krishna called Satyabhama as his charioteer because she had learned all the arts required for the heroic war. In the fierce battle, Narakasura threw his sword at Krishna, in which he was wounded and pretended to fall unconscious. Satyabhama was furious when he saw Krishna fainting, and with the same anger she aimed an arrow with force, for which Narakasura leaned down and was about to die. His death was as per his boon. Sri Mahavishnu appeared to him and said that he would give him the boon he needed. Narahasura not only lost his pride on the verge of death, but was lucky to see the incarnation of Lord Vishnu and changed his mind. "On that day of my death, everyone must wake up early, take bath, wear new dresses, light diyas all around, and celebrate it with ecstasy." This way, Narakasura requested to the Lord Krishna. This is the reason why Diwali is celebrated. On this day, let us make sure that we give up the demonic qualities in our minds and travel towards the perfect life. Not only on the day of Diwali, let's make it on every day. I once again wish you all very happy Diwali. Thank you for listening to the story. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanam.